everyone, this is Long speaking here. Why are LGR machines suitable for the post-disaster reconstruction market? As we all know, houses after floods are very wide, and our machinery structure is fully adapted to this environmental condition. The LGR155 has a metal fold-down handle, which is very strong. We also have two ink wheels. With help of handles and wheels, we can move the dehumidifier very easily. It also has excellent staking ability. Filter materials is SUS304, can make the air through at the same time, can also filter some particle. After cleaning, can be used again. There is a power cord storage above the machine. Place power cord. Suitable for long distance use. Equipped with 6 meters PVC drum paper and a Velcro. Drainage is more convenient. Storage is also easy. In a world, LGR series products have been optimized structurally for common post-disaster use environment, and we look forward to your use. Thank you.